Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to add American Express card to Apple Pay. First, open the Amex app on your mobile device and log in to your account. Tap the account icon at the bottom right of the screen. Select Apple Pay. Choose the Amex card you want to add. Enter the security code from the front of your card. Tap Done, then Add to Apple Wallet. Tap Next and wait while your card is processed. Agree to the terms and condition. Tap Next again to begin verification. Enter the verification code sent to your phone. And that's it. That's how to add American Express card to Apple Pay. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.